In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the steering wheel height on this 2016 Toyota Scion. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm sitting in this 2016 Toyota Scion right now, and oftentimes when you get into a new vehicle, you may need to adjust the height of the steering wheel. Adjusting the height of the steering wheel is important so that it doesn't block your line of visibility when you're driving, or it doesn't block your controls. Too high or too low could cause either of those issues. So in order to adjust the height of the steering wheel, you're going to navigate to the lower section of the steering wheel, and you will notice that there is a latch right here. It's not marked, so it's kind of tricky to know for the first time how to do it, but you're going to go ahead and pull down. And what that release bar does is it allows you to move the steering wheel higher or lower. That is the play that it gives you. That's the highest point. And I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and this is what it looks like at eye level right there at the height. And this is what it looks like at the lowest point. So if you're like my wife, for example, who is about 5'2", this would be her view. So if it's all the way up high, it's going to start blocking her visibility. So she's probably going to want to put it somewhere in the middle, like right there. Whereas I'm sitting up here, I'm going to probably want to put it at the highest setting so that I don't block my my dials on the control board, so I can see my RPMs and my speedometer and things like that. So once you find the height that you want it to be at, all you need to do is go back down and close this lever so that it firmly puts the steering wheel into the location it needs to be in. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.